Why'd we name this Growth to Exit? It's not just about growing your company to an exit. Part of your retirement, part of the look in the mirror, part of the self-evaluation, are you ready to exit your company? Really is an evaluation of what's next. So it's not just about growing your business into an exit. It's about growing yourself. It's about putting a plan in place so that after you sell your company, you know exactly what you're going to do. You have the opportunity to grow by following your dreams, following your passions, going to work at your charity, spending more time with the grandkids, traveling, whatever your plans are. Retirement is overrated. It may be retirement from your company, but it doesn't mean retirement from life.